Have you noticed that your Samsung phone no longer shows smooth animations when opening apps, switching between screens, or returning to the home screen? If everything feels too instant or the visual effects have disappeared, there's no need to worry. This is usually caused by a setting that disables or reduces animations. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to restore Samsung's default animations and even adjust their speed to make your phone feel smoother or faster. Start by opening the Settings app page. Scroll down and tap Accessibility, then select Visibility Enhancements. Scroll until you find the Reduce Animations option. If this feature is enabled, turn it off. When it's turned on, Samsung minimizes motion effects across the system, making app transitions and screen movements appear almost instant. Next, return to the main settings menu. If you don't already have developer options enabled, go to About Phone CarPlay, Software Information, tap build number 7 times in a row. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern. You'll see a confirmation message that developer options have been unlocked. Now go back to the main settings page and open developer options. Scroll down until you find these 3 important settings: Window Animation Scale, Lead Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. For Samsung's default animation experience, set all 3 options to 1x. If you'd like your phone to feel more responsive while keeping the animations, set them to 0.5x instead. Be sure that none of these settings are set to animation off or the effects will remain disabled. After making these changes, return to your home screen and open a few apps to check the results. You should immediately notice smoother app launches, cleaner transitions, and more natural navigation throughout the interface. If the changes don't appear right away, simply restart your phone. With these settings correctly configured, your Samsung Galaxy device will once again display its full animation effects. Whether you prefer Samsung's standard smooth experience or slightly faster transitions, you now know exactly where to adjust them. Thanks for following this guide, and enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable experience every time you use your phone.